Are we okay?
Should be. Give me a second.
Are we alive? Are we live? 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 That's the question. Are we live?
Yes, we are.
We got a mic check, 1 2, mic check 1 2, mic check
Yes, you're
1 2 2 1.
You're good. You're good.
Yeah, I don't see us on the X. All right, there it goes on the X.
Next right now.
Here it is. We're live. All right. I hear myself on X. All right. 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 Yo. What's up? What's up? It's Coach Nick Money in the house with the one and only the DBL Nicks of the house, a.k.a. Yes, sir. The star of Microcap Mornings with his co-host, the other star. We like to call her the Serengeti specialist because she's all about being in the high weeds with the bushy tail, pouncing on the ABCD parabolic patterns and bringing them in for the indelible tribe. That would be y'all, by the way. We know her as DBL Moms. Oh, you got to do better than that. We know her as DBL Moms. She's got to work on that, right, folks? Got to work on that. Got to work on that. You got to work on that, Chopper. Got to work on that. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, I think y'all might want to subscribe to the YouTube channel because, we got some amazing content on YouTube. Yesterday, DBL Moms put out PEPG, a due diligence video on PEPG. And, of course, today it went up 180%. Because that's what we do. So go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel at Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money. And of course, if you want 24/7 financial news and pre-market regular hours and after hours monitoring and content about microcap and small cap momentum stonks, go ahead and subscribe to our x.com aka Twitter account called at Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money. Go ahead and do it. Go ahead and do it. Yeah. Facebook, Instagram, and Threads is also at Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money. And we live stream on Twitch as well at Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money. And if you want some slamming content on TikTok, Tiki-Taki, a.k.a.
Tack.
the Tack, you go to it at DBL Nicks.
At DBL Nicks.
At DBL NICKS, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money, and that's where you get some fantastic inspirational content, stock content. You get some really awesome content from Mama Money, from DBL Moms, the Serengeti specialist herself. I mean, just good stuff. Go ahead and check it out. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, you're looking at our screen. This is Power Play. So what we're doing here is we're going to be getting ourselves ready for Power Hour, which should start in about an hour and 26 minutes.
Yes.
And that's the power portion of the show. And then the play portion of it is to decompress in between the morning session and going into the trading right now. Let me go ahead and turn this off because it's making a heck of a lot of noise in the background. A heck of a lot of noise. Got to turn that off. Go ahead and turn it off. I turned it off. Yes, sir. Little coffee. Let's get a share party going on.
Let's get a share party.
Let's get a share party. Let's go. Let's get it going on. Let's get to the first 100 folks, peoples. Let's get to the first 100 folks. So as I was saying, if you want to take a 4-day trial of our Discord community with all the tools that we provide, we're not just a Discord community. The Discord community is fantastic. The people are serious, not clowns. No clown shows allowed. No, sir. Serious about making money and supporting each other and doing the right thing, because that's what the Indelible Tribe does. Then you might want to take that 4-day trial for $9.99. It is $9.99. The link is in the description. Not only would you become part of an amazing Discord community, but there's a ton of tools. I mean, number one, you could see the scanner that is real time, that works pre-market, regular hours, and after hours. Last thing you want is not having a scanner or waiting for someone to tell you what stocks are moving, or even worse, people telling you to use commercial scanners from companies that basically are delaying the output of that type of information because it's not geared towards momentum. So you need the real time stuff. And that's what our scanners do. They give you real time alerts. They give you float and volume. Most of those other scanners don't give you any of that. Okay, so how are you going to know whether or not a stock really has a potential of moving if you don't know how many shares there are that are tradable, which is the float, and you don't know how much demand there is, which is the volume, right? But our scanners do that. They also give you the directional. So you'll see on the scanner the upward green triangle or the downward red triangle, which tells you at the moment which direction the leading gainers are going to. In addition to that, we also have the stock ticker tape, which is basically a momentum breakout scanner that looks at stocks that are breaking out at the moment. They may fail, they may not fail, they may go parabolic, but that ticker tape gives you that information. In addition to that, you have the ability to search for various stock news throughout the platform. So there's a bunch of amazing tools. It's a $9.99 offer to try it out so you could see it for yourself for 4 days. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's get into the stonks right now. Let's get into PEPG, which DBL Moms did a video on. All right, so we're looking at PEPG. It had a nice 180% run in pre-market, and it has been selling off ever since. Right now, it's below VWAP. So let's zoom in a little bit. Let's get a graffiti pencil activated. We've got right over there, double C, right there at around $5.95 is where the VWAP is. The 9 EMA is kind of paralleling it, but maybe pointing a little bit downward. We can see that the volume candles are dropping. We can also see that there's indecisiveness with the RSI, not unusual in light of the fact that we are in an in-between time frame where there's low volume. Right, so you had that morning rush going into early, just before lunch, and now there's a bit of a lull where not that much trading is going on, and we're going to be leading into the next hour and a half, hour 20 minutes into power hour, when generally speaking more volume comes in. So right now, indecisiveness on PEPG, which is currently the leading gainer at 111%, but we're going to be keeping an eye on all these stocks, every single one of them. Okay, every single one of them. Let's get a share party going on. Let's get to 100. Let's get to 100. Let's do it. Doubles. Should we do it? Let's do it. CPOP. This is a China stock. I think it's out of Hong Kong. It has a history of running like a maniac, okay, as do many Hong Kong stocks. Let's take a look at some of the history going back for the past year on this stock. So you can see it has been all over the map. It has been as high as almost 20. Actually, it's been as high as $20. Okay, so right now it's trading at around $5 and change, give or take. And yeah, let's get back to the 5-minute chart. Check it out. All right, so I traded this stock. The interesting thing is it. Wait a minute, this is the wrong chart. Hold on. Why is it doing that? Why do you do that? Why do you give me a hard time? Don't do it. No. All right, let's try this again. 1 year, 1 day, 1 year chart. Okay. All right. Now we're cooking with grease. Here we go. All right. Come on. All right. So this stock, take it back. Okay. This stock has run completely bonkers. Let me go ahead and go to a 1-minute chart, see what's going on here. Why is this chart not cooperating? What's going on over here? Let's go to 180. You know what? All right, we'll go to another stock. We'll come back to you. SPR. If you're going to be difficult today, I'm not in the mood, okay? I'm not in the mood. You got it? I need you to behave. All right, now let's go back to it. Reset yourself. There you go. All right. So the deal with this stock is it's not adverse to running parabolic, but it has a tendency of flushing like crazy, and it's obviously been diluting because when we look at the scanner, you can see that it currently has 61 million float and there's only 51 million volume. That is actually coming in. So the float is really high, which gives you more susceptibility usually to price drops, rapid price drops. But I know the history of the stock, so I took the trade and I sat on it, which I typically don't do. But with this particular one, I did, and I got a nice profit out of it. But it was a little bit of a nail biter because, again, the float was so heavy and there were sudden thrusts up and then sudden drops in the price action. So I think I bought at 205 and I sold at 223. Yeah, so it was a nice little run, nice little locked in run for me. All right, but this stock is a heavier floated stock. I'm probably not going to trade it again, but right now it is a little bit below overbought on the RSI, and it is still trending upward. I wish the float was not so high because this stock has had a really strong history of running very parabolic, and because the float's so high, we're looking at it at 52%. I think it went as high as 70 something percent. SPRC, third leading gainer. Let's take a look at it. Let's get a share party going on. We're at 110 folks. Let's get it to 200. Let's get it to 200 folks. Share it up. Come on now. Come on, Indelibles. Hook me up. Hook up your boy. Hook him up. Let's go. Having some coffee to wake myself up, man. It's been a long day. All right, so what we're looking at is a price spike that went up. Currently, SPRC is up 49%, but if I get the graffiti pencil out, you could see that right over here is a head. You could see that there is absolutely a shoulder right over here. And you can see that there is a shoulder over here. And we see that the 90 MA is starting to dip downward, heading downward away from the VWAP. VWAP is going to be significant resistance. And we see that the RSI is moving into the oversold area. And we see a major shrinkage of volume. So we would need volume to come back in and have the RSI try to settle at this bottom and start curling upward, but we don't have that going on right now. So it's quite bearish. It's quite bearish at the moment. We need to see basically a break of this general trend downward right here. Right? We want to see a break of that, and we want to see the 90 MA start to curl back towards VWAP. It is, again, still very early before power hour. So hopefully volume will come in and bring some love to SPRC. SPRC CYCU. Let's take a look at it. CYCU. CYCU. I see you. There's a stock called ICU, by the way. There is. All right, so this stock is generally trending upward. CYCU is trending upward. This is also a very heavy floated stock, okay? And it doesn't really have, as far as I know, does not have the track record of CPOP. So to me, it's trending upward, whatever. It is up 46%, but not my cup of tea. Although there is more volume than there is float, it is a penny stock, so it's going to be a little challenging. Our RSI is kind of close to the middle, so kind of indecisive. Still early. We'll see what happens. Maybe CYCU gives us some love later on. Maybe it doesn't. XXII, I think got like some kind of an insurance claim or a lawsuit claim. They got like $9 million. Blah 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. But right now it's above VWAP. And we'll see if the volume comes in on it. It is currently up 33%. It's above VWAP. I like that. The 90 MA and the VWAP are stacked very closely. It just needs some volume love, and the RSI is showing us an indecisiveness because of lack of volume. So it's smack in the middle, not overbought, which would be up here, and not oversold, which would be down here. We got 218 folks. Let's get that share party going in. And if you want me to take a look at a particular stock, just put it in the chat. Put it in the chat, folks. Put it in the chat. Fofo. Let's go check out Fofo. What's up, Fofo? How you doing, Fofo? How's your buddy Fufu? Fufu, boo boo bev. All right, so I don't know. Let's see what's going on with Fofo. 3 million shares of float, only 811,000 shares of volume. So not a lot of volume, not a lot of trading on Fofo. It's currently up 46%. It is above the VWAP. All right, wait, hold on. Let me make sure I'm having issues with this. Is this the right chart? Hold on. Please hold. We're having issues with the charts. The charts are misbehaving today. Here we go. All right. That's a different chart. All right. So what we got over here actually is a pennant forming. So let's get the graffiti pencil activated. Not a heck of a lot of volume. So the pennant would be right over here. And basically right over there. What I like about this is it's above VWAP. It's above the 9 EMA. What I don't like about it is there's not a lot of volume. There is clearly indecisiveness in the RSI, but again, it is before power hour, and we still have a long way to go before power hour kicks in. So right now, it's in the pennant. I don't like the fact that it's a $28 stock. Obviously, a China stock, so it's going to be kind of funkadelic, but we'll see what happens. We'll see. We'll see. We'll check it out. QLGN ran a couple of days ago. Let's go check it out. QLGN below VWAP. Not a lot of volume. Currently up about 34%. It is a low floater at 2 million. It has had 12 million in volume. So we'll keep an eye on it since it's a leading gainer. We got 265 folks. Let's get a share party going on. Let's go. Let's go, indelibles. So a lot of folks, doubles, have been asking, why do I call them indelibles? Because we got a lot of new folks that come in here and they don't know why I call them indelibles. I call y'all indelibles because I want you to leave your mark and make sure that your mark is never erased. I want you to achieve all your goals, your aspirations, and dreams. I want you to be supportive of others. I just want you to be happy. I want everybody to be happy. Why can't everybody be happy? Why can't we all be happy?
Why not?
Let's be happy. Yeah. And now what makes me happy is playing some Fortnite and dedicating it to y'all, the indelible tribe. Let's go, baby. Yay. All right, since the boys are not playing it today, I'm going to play a little bit of the regular Fortnite.
The one with the Megazord.
The one with the Megazord. Yeah, the Megazord. Let's get that share party going on. Let's get 300 right now. We need to get 300. Let's go. 300. And after the game, we'll go ahead and check out a couple more stocks. And, of course, if y'all put in some information that you want me to take a look at, stickers that you want me to take a look at, or if you have any questions, just put it in the chat. Go ahead and put it in the chat. I'm going to have some coffee, though, because I'm a little tired. I am. For real. Y'all are terrific. You got me to 300 already. You got me to 300. You are awesome. Can you go ahead and do another share party and get us to 400? Let's go to 400. 400, baby. Let's go. So folks want to know why I play Fortnite midday. It decompresses myself. It decompresses my mind. It clears my mind and gives me clarity and gets me ready for power hour, because when I am... You silly bird. Why'd you do that? Why'd you do that, you silly bird? It clears my mind. This way, when power hour starts, I'm focused and ready to rock and roll. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's see. Where should I... You know what? I want to start it nice and slow this time. We're at 356, folks. CYCU moved up 52%. SPRC up 51%. 51%. CPOP 51%. Let's go and check out. Let's go and check out CYCU while we're landing. CYCU continues to trend upward. CYCU 60 million, heavy float like CPOP. CPOP has a heavy float too. C-Pop, yo, what up, C-Pop? There was like a period of time last year when all the Hong Kong stocks were just going bananas, and C-Pop was one of them. So, you know, there would be a Hong Kong stock that would run parabolic, you know, 100%, 200%, 300%, etc., etc., etc. And, you know, C-Pop was one of those stocks. It happened all around the time when Holo ran like, I don't know, 8,000% or something like that. Holo! You know, we had something like that a couple of weeks ago with, not with a China stock, it was OCTO that ran, I think it ran 6,500%, 6,500. And then the next day there was a stonk that ran like 3,500. I don't remember what ticker it was. It was last week. You know what I mean? Let's get that share party going on. We're almost at 400. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. We're watching CYCU trend up on the chart. The scanners are telling me that PEPG is moving up ever so slightly at 119%. The other four leading gainers are slightly pulling back at the moment. It is a low before we have power hour, baby. Before the power hour. Let's go. Where you at, fella? Where you at, fella? Where you at, fella? There he goes. Get out of town, fella. Get out of here. Sick of your nonsense. What are you doing? My lobby, my lobby. Let's go. Hey, we got 402. Let's switch to 2 and the 0 and do a 420 party. Let's go. 420. 420, honey. Let's go. Share it up. 420. Let's go, baby. Let's go. 420. 420. 420. Let's go to 500. 500. Let's go, baby. Share it up. Share it up. Share it up. Let's go. Whee! I need something other than 2 shotguns. I'm just saying. Something other than 2 shotguns. What do you think? Oh, my. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. We should definitely have that. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. We should definitely have that. Why not? Perhaps. Perhaps. A lot of shotguns, bro. Oh, my. Oh, okay. All right. 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 Why not? Why not? Perhaps. 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 Let's go. Ooh. Yeesh. Storm is coming, doubles. The storm is coming. The storm. Wow, I barely looted, bro. What the heck? I don't like that. I barely looted and the storm is already here. What's going on? What's going on over here? What's going on, folks? No, 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 no. Let's get out of here. The storm is just not cooperating, bro. It's just not. The storm did not cooperate, bro. I did not feel storm love. No, no, no. No love. No love from the storm. All right, folks. All right. A little bit of a slow start here. Little bit, little bit. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I gotta get a whip, yo. You know I love my whips, fellas. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my. Oh my. There's a critter nearby. Out of town, bruh. Come on, bruh. What's wrong with you? I'm just trying to mind my own beeswax. And you messing with me. Come on, fella. Come on, fella. on, fella. Let's share that up. Let's go, baby. Let's go, y'all. Share it up, share it up, share it up. Anything over here? What is this? What is this? What is this, yo? What is it? Oh my, why not? Why not, bro? Alright, alright. Why not, bro? Okay. Alright. Let's go, baby. I see some gunfire somewhere over there. Ooh, let's get into this whip. I like this one better. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Let's share it up, folks. Let's go. We're almost at 500. Let's go. We'll be doing some more stonk analysis as we break things up, you know. But right now, we're going to get a dub in the play portion of the show. What's going on? Where are these critters? Where they at? Where they at, Doubles? Where they at? Let me at them, bro. Are they nearby? Where are they? Where are they? Where are you? Where are you, you little scoundrel? Where are you? Ooh, yummy, yummy, yummy. I hear gunfire. I don't know where they're at, but I hear it. Where you at? Where you at? Where are they? Doubles, you see them? I don't see nobody. Why are you hiding? Oh, I see him right over there. Look, 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 look. Right over there in the box. Right there in the box. Oh my, oh my. My, oh my, oh. How about we do this? Woo-hoo! Whee! Whoa! Oh my, oh my. I want to get into some of that. Yeah, I want to get into some of that. Come on now, fella. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Holy moly! Holy moly! Holy! Oh my! Oh my! I'm a hot mess, bro. No, 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 no! I'm one shot, bro. I'm one shot, dude. Ah, dude. Man, I had no mats, bro. No mats, bro. Come on. CYCU moving up. Let's check it out. Let's get that shit party going on. Let's get to 600. I need the energy from the indelible tribe. I need that support. Come on now. Let's get that share party going on. CYCU up 46 cents. Currently up 57%. 60 million float, 139 volume. It's a penny stock. You could always forgive the pennies a little bit with the bigger floats, but that's still a lot of float, 60 mil. But it is trending upward, and it is still remaining friends with the trend. So that is CYCU, PEPG, leading gainer. It did some nice movement. PEPG did some nice movement pre-market. You can see it did, but right now it has formed, in essence, a head and shoulders pattern. It dipped on this shoulder right over here. It's holding just below VWAP. We want to see some volume love for it, some volume love on PEPG. PEPG shares are trading higher. The company announced the pricing of a $100 million public offering of 31,250,000 shares at $3.20, and it's currently trading higher than that. So, little FOMO maybe, a little FOMO perhaps, CPOP, CPOP, the China stock, China stock, trending generally upward, very choppy, moving on relatively light volume in respect to its float, 61 million float. It was 60 million a little bit earlier, and now it's 61 million. So there was some dilution already, I would tell you. CPOP only moving on 54 million shares with a 61 million float. So it's moving on very low volume, 53%. SPRC. Did you say SPRC? I did. Head and shoulders pattern. And selling off needs to break that downtrend. You will have some significant resistance at $6.64. In my opinion, we could take a look at the RSI, and we can see that the RSI is showing us that the stock is oversold, but it's still dipping downward. Hopefully it'll curl. But you do have that resistance right there at the VWAP, which is at about $6.65. $6.65. SPRC QLGN. This is a ticker with a 2 million float, 12 million in volume, $5.43-ish cents, more or less. That's the situation with that stock. Let's go ahead and get the chart up. QLGN, and it is consolidating below VWAP. It is a pennant. I guess I could make it into a pennant by going like that and saying, okay, there's a pennant right over here, but it needs volume. It needs volume love, doubles. It needs volume love. You know what I mean? Volume love. It needs volume love, ladies and gentlemen. And we have indecisiveness right over here with the RSI. Not overbought, not oversold. 640 folks are watching right now. Let's get that shit party going on. Let's go. Let's get to 1,000. 1,000. Let's share it up. EVAX. Let's go to EVAX. EVAX ran Parabolics earlier in the morning, but has since sold off, and it too is below VWAP. Again, not unusual considering we still have almost an hour before power hour. So we could say maybe this is a pennant, but it is below VWAP, and you can see that there's a ton of top tails. I don't like top tails.
You like the bottom.
I'm a bottom kind of fella. You know what I'm saying? I like the bottom tails. The bottom tails, and they got to be green ones. I'm just saying. It's like my M&Ms. I like my green M&Ms. I don't like red M&Ms. I like green ones. We're almost at 700, 685 folks in the viewing area. Let's go ahead and get that share party going on. So that's EVAX XXII. XXII, I think that's the one that had the lawsuit that they won. They won a lawsuit, XXII. Is that what happened? XXII 22nd Century Group, Inc. Shares are trading higher after the company secured $9.5 million in cash proceeds from the settlement of an insurance claim. So that's what it was, an insurance claim. But it is pretty choppy and looks quite bearish over here with a mini double top. We could go ahead and get the graffiti pencil activated. You got a little top over here. And then you got another little top right over there, and you're below VWAP, and the 9 EMA is pointing downward, and there is still room for the RSI to keep dipping downward, and we can see that the volume candles are diminishing, and obviously it is before power hour, so hopefully it will get some volume love. Let's hear it for volume love. Who wants some volume love? Put it in the chat if you want volume. Put the letter V for volume. V for volume. V for volume. Ho. All right. All right, let's go and get a dub. Let's get a dub. That was like not a very good performance right there. DBL moms, my little Serengeti specialist, you make the best coffee. You make the best coffee. The best coffee. Or should I sound like a folk from down south? Coffee. Can I have a cup of coffee? Coffee. It doesn't even sound right, bro. It sounds weird. It sounds like they have an accent. See how I did that? Let's go and see what's going on with CYCU. Little penny point. Still trending upward. Still staying friends with the trend. Still. It is starting to form a reversal pennant, right? This pennant right here could potentially signal a reversal. It is extending away from the VWAP. We'll see what happens. RSI is not overbought yet, though. It is not. No. So we will see what happens. We'll see. QLGN moving up ever so slightly, 31%. NUAI, we didn't talk about that one. That one was a ticker that ran. We'll do that after the game. I tell you. Yeah. Let's get that share party going on. Let's get to 1,000. 1,000. We're almost at 800. We're at 800. Let's get to 1,000. Let's do it. All right. All right, I'm going over here. Let's go. Now, I hope they got some better weapons over here this time around, because if they don't, I'm going to have to land elsewhere. You know what I'm saying? Elsewhere. Not going to have any of this. Not going to have it. You know, there was some other places I found that were pretty cool to land at, but I can't really remember where they were. I just don't remember. I don't know this map that well. I really don't. I don't play regular Fortnite that often. Also, I'm enjoying the season. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm enjoying the season. Nothing. Come on, man. What you doing? Give me a weapon. Weapon. What? Where you going? Come and play, bro. Come on. I missed a lot of those shots, though. Oh, another fella. Where you at? Woo! I felt bad doing that, bro. Not really. Perhaps. Let's go, baby. Whee! How was that, bro? How'd I do, doubles? I did good. Yeah. Let's go, baby. Uh-huh. Woo-wee. All right. A shotgun would be good, right? What do you think? Is that a shotty? Is that a shotty? Is it? Is it? It is a shotty. Oh, a shotty. A shotty. Yeah. Yes, sir. Shotty. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Yeah, why not? Perhaps. 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 Oh, this thing's making some weird noise, bro. Yeah, it's making some weird noise. I don't know. It's like that, like it's got agita. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what's going on over here. I don't know. That was weird. I'm kind of lost, bro. I'm trying to like figure out my way through here. Ah, right here. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. All right. Okay. There we go. All right. Ammo. Yeah. Let's go. Look at this thing. It's like a satellite or something. I don't know. I don't know. Something. It's like a little something something. It's like a something something. Like a something something. All right, we got almost 900 folks in here. Let's get that shit party going on. Let's go 900, 1,000. 900, 1,000. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Go, 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 go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Woo. Oh, my. Oh, my. What is that? What is that? I don't want that. I don't want that. I'll keep this fella. Ooh, look. Look at that. Look at that. Looky here. Looky here. Look at what we got over there. Look here. Look here. Oh my! Oh my! Wasn't really much of anything, really. All right. That wasn't really particularly schmexy. No. Not very particularly schmexy. Let's go over here. Let's see what's going on over here. Let's go over here. Let's go over there. Oh my! All right. This time I'm not getting caught in the storm, folks. Not happening. Not happening. No. Not getting caught in the storm. Not doing it. I'm not doing it, my friend. Right, we started out a little bit rough with the first game, but this one's a little bit better. Got some pretty decent loadout, I would say. Pretty decent. Nothing spectacular, but nothing horrible. Alright. The Megazord is coming. Is that what they call it? Megazord? A Megazord. Any enemies? No. No enemy. Ah, right over there. An enemy right there. Right over there. I see you. I see that critter. Woo! Come on. Come on, sucker. Let's go. Now, somebody else was shooting at him, so... Somebody else was shooting at that critter. I'm just saying. But I'm gonna try to get the loot anyway. So that's how I roll, yo. Yeah, loot, yummy. Now I know there was somebody he was shooting at. I could have swore there was somebody else. No? Nobody else? Nobody else? Really? Alright. 924 folks. 924 indelibles in here. Megazord damage inflicted. Oh my. I don't know what that's all about. I don't know what that's all about. Let's see. What's going on over here? Nothing over here. Nothing. Some loot over here. There's some loot over here. Let's go check it out. I don't know. How about this thing right here? How about this thing right over here? Can we get some of that? Can we get some of that? Let's get some of that. Alright. Where's the shooting at? Man, I don't know where the shooting's at. Alright. I don't know. I'm gonna drive towards it, try to get some activity. Let's get some activity. Let's get a shared party going. We're going into battle. The entire tribe, the entire indelible tribe is going into battle right now. We're going for it. Let's go. Let's go. Where's the shooting at? Where's it at? Let's get that shared party going on. Let's get to 1,000. Come on now. Come on now. C-pop moving up 45%. 45%. Still no visual, man. Still no visual. What's going on here? No visual. What's going on? What's going on here? Oh my. Really? Perhaps we'll take that. What do you think, Doubles? Yeah. Let's get some Benzini first. Let's go get some of that loot right there. Why not? Why not? Perhaps. Come on, give me something good. Really? That's what you gave me, bro? Really? Really, bro? Alright, I'll take it. Listen, I'm not gonna be picky. I'm not gonna be picky. I'm not gonna be picky. No, I'm not. Oh! Fortnite crashed! Oh no! What the heck? Oh no! I gotta log back in. Oh! Fortnite crashed! What the heck? What the heck? I'm loading back up, ladies and gentlemen. We'll do some stonk reviews while we're waiting for the game to reload. Do we need to like do anything to get it back on?
No, you just gotta turn it back.
Just gotta log right back in, right? I don't need to do nothing in particular.
You might have to move it to the other screen.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. All right, already. All right. I'm gonna move it. Oh, the game crashed on me. Oh. It happens, bro. Yo, this week we've had a lot of like technical things this week. You know, a lot. Let's get that share party going on. Let's get 1,000. We're at about 980 right now. 980. Let's get to 1,000. Let's do it. We'll go over some stonks in the meanwhile. We'll check out some stonks. Let's go ahead while we're loading up. Let's go ahead and check PEPG. See how it's doing. PEPG is still below the VWAP, so it needs volume. The game is back. The game is back, folks. The game is back. Come on, let's move this. Move the screen. Why is the screen not moving? Doubles, why is the screen not cooperating with me? All right, there we go. All right, there we go. We're back in business. We're back in business, folks. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get ourselves situated like this. Let's go take a look at some of the stonks while we're back in the lobby. Fofo moving up. Fofo moving up. It is a China stock. China stock in a pennant just above VWAP. You can see it's just above VWAP. It is an expensive stock just below $27. It is in a pennant, so we'll see. We'll see. CYCU. CYCU in that pennant that was a reversal, so a pullback seems to be coming. C-pop breaks that uptrend, and now the question is, will it stay above VWAP? Let's get the graffiti pencil activated. VWAP is right over here at about $1.93. Will it hold, or will it form a head and shoulders pattern? We have a shoulder here. We have a head here. You could say there's an irregular shoulder here. You could say that. You could, but VWAP is right there, so maybe we get a bounce off of VWAP and it goes continuously up. I don't know. It's a heavy floated stock, and the RSI is pulling downward towards oversold. So, so we'll see what happens with that. Let's go ahead and check out another ticker. Let's check out SPRC. What is that? Oh, okay, gotcha. SPRC, let's check it out. SPRC, let's check it out. and a head and shoulders pattern, and the Flushosaurus Rex is continuing, and unfortunately it is not breaking this downtrend. You could see that the EMA is continuing to pull downward, and you could see that we have a complete nosedive in the oversold area. So this is not looking particularly schmexy right now, even though SPRC did run quite a bit. So it would need to get its bearings and reverse, and it's still early. There's still 40 minutes to power hour, and you're watching Power Play, a combination of reviewing stonks for Power Hour and decompressing before Power Hour by getting some Fortnite playtime in. So that's what this is all about. Ladies and gentlemen, we have multiple shows that you can take advantage of. This is one of the shows. You want to subscribe to the YouTube channel at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. And you would definitely want to subscribe to that because we have great videos that are done by the Serengeti specialist herself, DBL Moms. For example, she did a wonderful due diligence video on PEPG, and that stock ran today 180%. She did the video last night. So boom, chakalaka, baby. Hashtag no 5% runners. I get embarrassed if I don't get at least 1 or 200%. You know what I'm saying? Doubles. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to say, oh wow, 5%. No. You need more than that to be able to have some breathing room. You know what I mean? Yeah. You know, if you get 5% win, that's great, but you know, you need breathing room. You need some air. You know, you need air. You know what I'm talking about? You need some air. That's ladies and gentlemen, we're also on X, 24/7 news, financial news, 24/7, 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. And of course, pre-market, regular hours, and after hours. Some people say they're doing it, but we do it because we got an entire team. Folks, it's not just me. We have a squad, the internal indelible squad. There you go. And we make sure that pre-market, regular hours, and after hours, there's a ton of content on micro caps and small caps, momentum moving stocks. So check us out on x.com, aka Twitter, at Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money. And of course, we're also on Facebook, Instagram, and Threads at Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money. And we also stream on Twitch as well at Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money.
And then there's a lot of cool content on TikTok, Tiki-Taki, or as Doubles likes to call it, Attack, at DBL Nicks. At DBL Nicks, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money. And of course, if you want to check out the private Discord, I mean, there's a ton of tools, a great community, okay? A ton of tools like the scanner that you're seeing on the screen right here, real-time scanners. Those blue letterings of the tickers are actually links that you can click and get news about the stock and other pertinent information as well. But the scanner itself gives you float, volume, price, the ticker, and as well as the direction that the price action is going at that particular time. So that's the scanner portion of it. But we also have the stock ticker tape, which is a breakout channel. So just to go into that, there it is right there. So this is where the stocks are breaking out, and if there's a breakout, it'll show up on the stock ticker tape. There's also the newsroom. Okay, so I'm just showing you a little bit of the secret sauce, y'all. Right, a little bit of the secret sauce. So go ahead and take advantage of that 4-day trial. There's also the early watch list. I don't want to say nothing, but the early watch list is usually fuego. Yes, indeed. The early watch list comes out at 6:30 Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. And to give you an idea, yesterday's early watch list included PEPG, which ran parabolic, OFAL, which ran parabolic, XXII, which ran. I'm just saying. All right, so go ahead and check out that 4-day trial for $9.99. The link is in the description. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the NUAI. Head and shoulders pattern, pulling downward, oversold, needs volume, love. EVAX, Pennant below VWAP. VWAP is right over here. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated. VWAP is right here at $4.55. It needs volume, love. We're at 1,255, folks. Let's get that share party going on. Let's go to over 2,000. Let's do it. Let's do it, doubles. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I feel like playing some OG, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I want to get into some OG. I'm just, I'm just feeling OG. I'm just feeling it, I'm just feeling it. I'm just feeling it. So Evax has that pennant, but it is below VWAP. CYCU. Let's check it out. CYCU. CYCU should be pulling back downward. Should be. C-Pops. Yo, C-Pops, what's up? C-Pop. Come on. Give me C-Pop. I want C-Pop. I want the C-Pop. Give me C-Pop. That's what I want. I want it, I tell you. Give me the C-Pop. And you can see it's generally trending. Still upward, but looking like a head and shoulders pattern, and that is kind of disconcerting to me. Here's the head. Here's a potential shoulder. And here's an irregular shoulder that I like to call the Igor shoulder. I don't even watch the show. What was it called? Young Frankenstein or something like that? But it sounds kind of cool when I say the Igor head and shoulders. Doesn't it sound cool? I think it sounds cool. I think so. Perhaps. Yes. All right, we're almost at 1,300. Let's get that share party going on, folks. Ooh, P90 doubles, a P90. Let's go. Ooh, P90. Where you at? Why are you messing with me, boy? Why are you messing with me, boy? What is that? Like a sea monster? What is that? Is that a sea monster? What is that thing? Get over here, fella. Ah, come on. All right, let's get that share party. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I'm gonna change my drop. I'm gonna take it as a nice slow roll this time around. We're gonna go slow. Try to get that victory royale for all y'all, the indelibles. Let's go, baby. All right, we're over 1,300. Time for 1,400. Let's get that share party going on as we watch CYCU trying to move up ever so slightly. NUAI oversold, trying to move up ever so slightly. QLGN ran a couple of days ago, showing us 36% up. A low floater of 2 million, had 12 million worth of volume, but right now doesn't have that volume love just about yet. It's up 36%, moving up ever so slightly. EVAX, 5 million float, 75 million overall volume for the day, but currently dropping in percentage gain, currently 32%. So that's where we're at right now with the top movers as we get closer and closer to power hour, which should happen in 32 minutes. We're jumping into the OG Fortnite game right now. Doubles, I like landing over here because there's a rift, there's campfire, there's wood, there's brick. You know what I'm saying? It's just missing, metal. There's not that much metal. There's not that much metal. You know what I mean? Not that much metal. But yeah, that's what's up. That's what's up right here. Right there. Ooh, it's snowing. Oh, we got an enemy nearby, bro. Bro, we got an enemy. Can't have that. Yo, this is my casa. My casa. Where you at, fool? Where you at, buddy?
Down below.
Oh, no, that wasn't right. It was left. It wasn't right. Oh, my. My goodness. I feel bad. No, I don't. This is my casa. My casa, yo. My casa. You can't stay here. No. As I like to say, no. Okay? No. You can't stay in my casa. Okay? You can't. Ooh, a campfire? I like campfire. I like campfires. I like them a lot. Campfire, doubles. Campfire. Oh, yeah. Oh, my. Let's go, baby. Oh my. Oh my. You know what? I don't like these things. Other people like them. I don't really care for them. Not my cup of tea. Not my cup of tea, folks. Oh, how about a shotgun? Can you get a shotgun? What do you think?
Shoddy.
A shotty. Let's get a shotty. Ooh, impulse grenades. I like that. I want some impulse grenades for myself. Yes, sir. You see why I like coming over here? Not bad, right? Not bad. I mean, the weapons are not that active. What's going on here? Is that a pump? Is that a pump? Pump it up. Nope, it's an AR. AR, I'll take it. I'll take it. Why not? Why not? Why not take the AR? Why not? Campfire. Look, you see what I'm talking about? It's not a bad landing spot. You know what I'm saying? Not bad. Not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. No. Now, if I can only get a decent shotgun, oh, okay, I'll take it. I'll take the marshmallow. Why not? I'll take the marshmallow cannon. How about a pump? How about a pump? How about a pump? No, no pump. No pump. No. No pump. No. Alright. Alright. Oh my goodness. What's going on over here? What's going on, Doubles? You saw what I got? You see what I got? I need some minis, bro. How about some minis? How about some minis? Minis? Can I have a mini? Can I have a mini witness? Oh, that don't bother me. It don't bother me. I'm not, I'm not particular. Almost 1,500. Let's get that shit party going on. Let's get to 2,000. Little OG to break up the storm. So little OG, why not? Why not? Perhaps. Perhaps. Let's go, baby. Now watch this. Look at what I love about this joint right here. Look, 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 look. Yeah, look, 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 look. Ooh. One rift to another rift. Look, there's a person over there. I want to land on him. I want to land on that feller. I'm gonna land on him. Where you at, dude? Oh my! Oh my! You're running towards tilted. What about I'll give you some heat right here? Yes, sir. Come on. Ooh. Bah humbug. Bah humbug, bro. He didn't want to play. He didn't want to play. All right, we're almost at 1,500. Let's get that shit party. Let's get it right over 1,500. Let's go. Let's go, folks. Let's go. I know y'all got it in ya. Come on, do it for the coachy. Come on, do it for coachy. 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 The coach meister. The coach. Yeah. All right. We're heading into zone, Doubles. Where was that critter, man? He was somewhere over here. I don't know where he went. Must be inside some houses or something. I don't know. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Are people playing over here? Uh-oh. They're fighting. Can I play? I'd like to play, y'all. Oh, my. Where'd you go, bro? Where'd you go, bro?
Where'd he go?
Where did you go, bro?
Where'd he run off to?
Man, come on, bro. Man. Oh, he's here. He's here. He was hiding. I saw you. I saw you, fool. I saw you. I saw you. Where you at? Where you at? Why is he hiding again? Dude.
Does he like that?
Come on, man. Come out to play. Yay. Come on. Come on. Where you at, bro? Ah, there you go. There you go. Come on, fool. Come on, fella. Give me your loot. Give it to me.
Give it to me.
Give it to me. You got to give your love to me. Let's go. Let's go. I like that. I like that. I enjoyed that right there. I enjoyed that. More people shooting ahead. All right, ladies and gentlemen, 1,565 folks watching Power Play. We're going to go on with some stonks in a little bit as soon as we're finished with this round right here. I think there's somebody in the water right there. Is there somebody in the water right there? Yeah, it's right there.
Right there.
Oh! No bueno, no bueno, no bueno. What's going on? Don't shoot me. I was just playing. Come on, you're taking everything too serious around here. Come on now.
Let's get the 1600.
Come on, let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go.
1600.
All right, we got to get some heals, bro. We got to get some heals, my fella. What do you think, Bubbles? That fella took some shield off me, buddy. That didn't feel too good. I didn't enjoy that. I did not enjoy that, Doubles. No, my fella. No, almost 1,600. Let's get that share party going on, folks. This is the play portion of Power Play. Let's go, baby. Shield, come on. Oh, yeah. You ask and you shall receive, my friends. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Oh, my. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh my. I always kill myself with the Stargon thing. Oh. I think I'll take this fella. Perhaps. 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 Alright, alright. Perhaps, right, Doubles? All right, here we go. Over 1,600. You guys are the bomb diggity. Bomb diggity. Indelibles. Indelibles. I say you are awesome. You are. Yes. Oh, wow, look. There's a drop like a million miles away. What's going on with that? Gunfire. I hear some gunfire. Let's reload. Let's reload. And come out to play. Yay. Oh, yeah, right ahead. You see him? Do you see him? It's that creature right there. That fella running away. Oh, my. There's somebody over here, too, huh? All right, let's see what that's all about. Nothing. 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 I guess we'll just chase this fella over here. What do you think, Doubles? What do you think, Doubles? Something's going on over here. Something's going on over here. I don't know. 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 I don't know if I want to go. What is that song? I don't know if I want to go. Blah, 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 blah. Something like that. What is that song? I don't know. I don't know it either. I don't know. No, I mean, what is it called, though, bro? No, come on, man. Find it out. Go on that Google thing. Go on that perplex thing right there. Ooh, look at here. We got a creature that I can hunt. Look at here. We got a creature to hunt. Oh my. I sees you. I want you. Come on back. Come back. Come back. I want you. Where'd he go? Right there, bro. Yo, this guy keeps running, yo. Stop running. Fella, stop running. Come on. Fight me. Come on. Oh, he's one of those guys that does a sniper, bro. Doubles! Doubles! No! All right, back to the stonks. Back to the stonks. When in doubt, go back to the stonks. I'm just saying. Come on, man.
1700.
Man, today's just not my day. I couldn't find a pump either, you know? I had like that little marshmallow thing all game long.
Marshmallow?
Yeah, the tack, man. They nerfed that fella. They nerfed it, Doubles. They nerfed it. Let's get our chart reset over here. Let's go ahead and get it reset over here. Let's go and check it out. All right, so we got a basic situation over here with CPOP, head and shoulders pattern. It's breaking this trend line coming down towards VWAP. So PEPG. Let's see what's going on with PEPG. We got about 17 minutes before power hour. It is hugging the bottom of the VWAP. The bottom of the VWAP. RSI is indecisive. Volume has dropped. Maybe it'll get some volume love. Maybe it won't. It looks basically like a head and shoulders pattern. It did already have that dip. It tried to recover, hit resistance at VWAP. So we don't know what it's doing right now. It's consolidating ever so slightly underneath the VWAP. So, you know, CYCU. Heavy floated penny joint, definitely extended, has recovered from the drop, so we can get rid of these lines right here. It has recovered from the drop and is continuing to trend upward. It has been trending above, significantly above the VWAP, moving on very light volume, and my concerns are that whenever price action does something like that, especially with heavy floated stocks, there could be sudden drops in price action like you see over here, like you see over here, like you see over here, and like you see over here. So, but right now, CYCU up 58%. SPRC head and shoulders pattern. It had its little flusheroo after the head and shoulders. It's trying to break this downtrend. I want to see that 9 EMA really curl up. It has been oversold and it's trying to recover, but you can see that there's not that much volume right now. And again, we are still pre-power hour. This is the power portion of the Power Hour show. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. Make sure you subscribe to x.com at Coach Nick Money. Make sure you subscribe to Facebook, Instagram, and Threads at Coach Nick Money. Twitch at Coach Nick Money. TikTok, Tiki-Taki, also known as the Tag at DBL Nicks. At DBL NICKS, and the screen name is
Coach Nick Money.
Coach Nick money. And of course, take advantage of the 4-day trial of the Discord community with the scanners, with the alerts, with the early watch list, with an amazing community, and much, 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 much more. There's a link in the description for a 4-day trial for just $9.99. Click it. Just click it. Click it good and join us and check it out with your own eyes. See what it's all about. All right, EVAX. Let's check out EVAX.
EVAX.
EVAX. EVAX. Come on. Come on, EVAX. Let's go. EVAX. EVAX. There we go. EVAX has formed a pennant underneath the VWAP. It is trying to curl. VWAP is right around the $4.55 mark. We can move these lines a little bit. It is moving a little bit closer to VWAP. This stock does have issues with holding its price action. You can see even on its way up, there was a lot of top tails and doubles. You know I'm allergic to top tails.
We like a bottom.
I'm all about the nutritious and energetic bottom tails. Yes, sir. I'm a bottom tail kind of fella, actually, to be quite honest with you. If you got a bottom tail, I'm your guy. Yeah. All right. And if you got a double bottom, Pepe Le Pew. That's what I'm saying. Let's go. Let's go. We're at 1,750 folks. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, indulgers of all kinds. Let's get that share party going on. Let's get to 2,000. Let's get to 2,000 doubles. Let's do it, right? What do you think? 2,000? 2,000. Let's do it. I don't know. Should I play OG or should I play regular? Which one? You pick it. You pick it.
No, regular.
Regular. No, I'll play OG.
Okay.
You wanted me to play OG because you know I always do the opposite, right? You know I always do the opposite. You wanted to watch OG. I knew it. Huh. DBL Moms, what do you want me to play? OG or regular? Oh, she's trying to get me to play regular. Wow. Can't fool the Serengeti specialist. No. 1776. That's how many viewers we have. We have Independence Day 1776. Yes, sir. Let's go, baby. Let's get that share party. Let's go to 1,800, 1,900, and 2,000. Let's go. This play portion of the Power Play Show is dedicated to you. I got to try to get a victory. Come on. Let's go. Then we'll go over some more stonks after that. Why not? Perhaps. Why not? Perhaps. Let's go. What happened to the pumps, bro? There's like no pumps in this game. What is going on? Oh my. Yeah, fella, yeah. You know, I gotta tell you, there's something to be said about that suppressed pistol. I'm just saying. Look at this fellow over here. I feel like I should mess with this guy. He left. Oh, come on. Come back. Come on. I was just playing with you. Come on now. Where did I land last time? I forgot. I landed at Viking, didn't I? Let's go to Pleasant. Come on. Let's go to Pleasant. Share it up. Let's go. I'll thank the bus driver. And I completed my quest and got 8,000 XP. Yes. All right. What do we got going on with the stocks? NUAI moving up ever so slightly on the scanner, 41%. QLGN, a multi-day runner, actually. It's running within the past couple of days. It ran before, up 36%. Low floater at 2 million, just not getting the volume love right now, but it did have 12 million shares traded today. CPOP dropped significantly, down 37% now. 37%. I think the high of day price-wise was something like $2.61. It's now about $1.93. At least I just remember $2.61. I just remember it, you know? I remember it. All right. Pleasant Park. Focus, coach. Focus. I don't see anybody here, bro. How about that? I don't see anybody. All right. That's the way I like it. Leave me alone. Oh, somebody's landing. Doubles, so I'm going to have to just mess with that person, you know? Let's get some loot. We'll get some weapons, you know what I mean? Get some loot, get some weapons, and then we'll go and play with the fella. Why not? Why not? How about some shield? Can I have some shield? Shield, no? No shield, no shield. Come on, shield. Shield! Or not. How about a pump? I'll take a pump. No problem. Somebody's here. Somebody here. Somebody here. Oh my. Oh my. I feel like I should take this, you know? I feel like I should. I feel like I should take it, you know? Let's get that shit party going on. We're almost at 1900. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Where is this guy? Where is this guy? Where's he at? Where's he at? Where you at, fella? Where you at? Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. I know there's somebody here. I mean, unless they rotated out. There's definitely somebody over here. I heard him. I heard him. How about an AR? Can I get an AR? Can I get a witness? Can I get a witness? How about an AR? How about an AR? No? No AR? No? No? No, 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 I need an AR, man. I need an AR, my fella. Is it too much to ask for? Is it too much to ask for, Doubles? Is it too much? Come on, man. Give me an AR. AR. A lot of shotguns, bro. I went from not being able to get any pumps to getting 1,000,000 pumps.
Pumps for days.
Pumps for days, bro. I don't know where this guy went. I don't see him. Ah, AR. AR. Why not? That's what I'm talking about. Now I got something to play with. Where's this creature? Where is he? Let me at him. All right. Oh, this is what he looted right here. See? Look. He did such a great job of looting. No. You know what? I don't really like this thing. I'd rather have loot posters. How about that? How about that? How about that? Okay. Evidence of enemy presence, right? Little enemy action nearby. Ah, there he goes! There he goes! Get out of here, bruh. Get out of here, bruh. Get out. You vermin. Another one. Dude, another one, bro. These critters don't know how to leave it alone. Oh, they're fighting outside. Look, 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 look. Three people. How about that? What? What? I'm higher than you. Hello. Oh, look at this guy up there. Look. Get out of there. Get out of there. Smoke, baby! Fuego, fuego, fuego! What? What? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Yeah! Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Give it to me. Huh. Let's get that share party going on, Doubles. Don't we want like, I don't know, 2,000. Let's get 2,000 folks in here. Let's get 2,000. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Woo-hoo. I don't usually use the fort, but when I do, it's purty. It really is purty. I love that purty little fort. I usually don't use it, you know, that Doubles. I really don't. I really don't. I don't. Oh, wow. I need some shrooms, bro. Almost 2,000. Let's get that share party, and then we'll go over some stonks as we get closer to power hour. We're getting closer. We're getting closer, Doubles. We're getting closer. Yes, sir. Oh, my. Oh, my. Let's go, baby. Let's go. 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 Woo-wee! Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. I want to go over here somewhere. Right, like maybe right there, yo. What do you think, Doubles? Right there? What do you think? Like that? I got it like that. You got it like that? Ooh, is that a llama? Is that there a llama? That there is a llama, Doubles. I love llamas. I love me a llama. Yum, 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 yum. Let's go, baby. 1,991 folks in the stream. Let's go and get it to 2,000. 2,000. Llama love. Llama love. Let's go. Watch me get shot at. Watch. That's what always happens. Come on now. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give me your love. You must give me your love to me. Let's go over here and get the Riftosaurus Rex. What do you think, Doubles? Yeah, right? Okay, I'm pretty stacked with loot, man. I'm not gonna lie. But there is also more loot right there. Why not? Why not, Doubles? Why not? Let's see what they got. Any good weapons for me? Come on. How about a scar? That would be amazing, wouldn't it? Wouldn't it be amazing if there was a scar over here? Ah, no! Leave me alone! Leave me alone, you fool! Leave me alone! Get out of there! I wasn't bothering you. What a creep, you know? That guy was a creep. He was a bit of a poo-poo. Trying to shoot Coach. What's wrong with you? I'm trying to win for the indelibles. Come on now. Come on now. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Don't you understand I got an indelible tribe that needs to be represented over here? Don't you get it? Don't you understand? Is there anything over here that I want? I don't know. Not really. Not really. There's nothing here, bro. I'm going to tell you the truth. There's not much here. Oh, wait. A drop. Oh, my. There's a drop over here somewhere. Did it come down yet? No, I don't think it did. Did it? Yes, no, maybe? No, it did not. We don't have a drop yet. I got plenty of mats. You could always get more, right? Wow, that sucker's way the hell up there. I'm not waiting. I don't think so. I don't think so, Doubles. What do you think? Come on. Fall down. Come on. Get over here. Oh, sniper. I don't know. I think I should do it. I feel like I should do it, bro. I feel like I should do the sniper. I don't know. Not my favorite weapon, but... I mean, I guess if there's some height, you know what I mean? But there's no... This is like flatlands over here, you know? No, let's do this. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, right? Yeah, in case we need to get out of here. In a hurry. Yeah, let's go. Why not? Let's rift. Let's rift. Let's go and see if we can find somebody. We're almost at 2100. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Ship party. Ship party. Ship it up. Ship it up. Ship it up. Ship it up. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Whippa. 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 Oh, you hear that? I hear some kind of chaos. Oh no! Somebody shot at me, Doubles. I feel like I should go into this fort right here, don't you? I don't know, right? Might be.
I think that wooden build at the corner might get chopped down, though.
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. This is not in zone, my friend. It is not in zone. Oh my. Not in zone, my brother. Not in zone. No. No. Huh?
Reload your weapon.
Always, bro. Always. I don't know, man. Should we go to Grandma's house to play? I don't know, bro. I don't know. I don't see nobody. But I got shot at, so I don't know, man. Ah, there he is. The Cretan's right up there. Look, see him? Uh-huh. I think I need to land on that sucker. Where you at, fella? No! I didn't want to do that! Oh! Did you see that? Oh my goodness. Was there? Man, that sucked, yo. All right, all right. Let's go take a look at the stocks. We are now officially in Power Hour. It's 3:03. Let's check out the stocks. Let's go ahead and get a share party and see what's going on. EVAX forming a pennant just below VWAP. VWAP is $4.56. Still bearish. RSI pulling downward. Not enough volume just yet. It is the beginning of Power Hour. I personally find it around 20 minutes, 30 minutes into it, sometimes 40 minutes into it, it starts to cook a little bit more. They start adding some grease and giving it some juice, but EVAX not really looking particularly schmexy just yet. OPI trending upward on light volume, 59 million float, heavy float, only 14 million shares. It is a 47 cent stock, going to be choppy, is trending upward. RSI is overheating, moving on low volume. Not for me at this juncture. No. PEPG, not financial advice. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. Not a financial advisor, not a stock advisor. Please do your own due diligence and do yourself a favor. Do your own due diligence. Yes, sir. All right. PEPG, just below VWAP, consolidating, needs volume love, indecisiveness with the RSI. Volume still low, still early in Power Hour. You know, it's not like Power Hour pops in and all of a sudden you got a ton of volume. It doesn't always work that way. CYCU, another penny joint, 60 million float, 174 million volume, up 77%. continuing the trend upward. I mean, it just keeps trending upward. It just keeps doing it. It's extended. The price action is way above the 90 MA, which is right around over here. And it is way above the VWAP, but it still keeps on going. So I'm going to just give it a Fibonacci retracement for some key levels of support and resistance. Let's go ahead and check that out. We could go right around over here and do something like that. So here we go. We got some resistance areas and some support areas. Let's go ahead and move it over here so we can check it out. Right over here is support at 47 cents. You got support at 51 cents. Resistance kicks in at 55 cents. It also kicks in at 59 cents. And then at around 63 cents, RSI is cooking a little bit with grease. I'm going to keep an eye on this fella just because it keeps on moving. But I'm a little concerned of these sudden drops right here because of the heaviness of the float. The heaviness of the float and the fact that it's a sub-dollar stock, they tend to be more volatile. DRIO, new to the top gainers. DRIO. I think it was running earlier. I mean, it does have a cup and handle type of situation, but not really that particularly shamexy. It's a 2 million float, which is low, but currently only has 1 million volume, and it is overbought, but it is forming a cup and handle pattern, which is a bullish pattern. So I guess we'll just have to see what it does. NUAI. Let's refresh the chart. Let's go. Let's go. And it is forming somewhat of a pennant, maybe, kind of, sort of, but a lot of big dips in price action. I don't like that. I do like the fact that it is above VWAP. Let's go ahead and put that pennant into perspective. There's your pennant. You got VWAP right around $1.26. Let's go ahead and put a graffiti pencil line right there in green. I like green. You know why, Doubles?
Why?
Because it reminds me of money. I like money. Does it make me a bad person? No, because I'm doing a financial show about money. I like money. Yeah. Let's share the stream, folks. Let's get to 2,200. If you're enjoying the content, go ahead and share it up, please. Help the stream grow so we can put more and more content for you. More and more content for you. This is a head and shoulders pattern right over here, though. That's what I'm thinking right here, Doubles. Look, check this out. You got, don't do that. Not there. No, stop. Right over here, a head. And we got a shoulder. So we got a bunch of indecisiveness over here, right? And another shoulder right over here. The 90 MA is starting to come down. So even though it's above VWAP, it does look like a head and shoulders pattern, and it seems to be losing momentum with the RSI pulling down towards going oversold, and the volume is dropping. So it's either a pennant or a head and shoulders. But right now, I would say it's more like a head and shoulders bear pattern. 2,200, folks. You are awesome. Let's get it up to 2,500. Let's go. Let's take a look at the next ticker. Let's go and take a look at ticker FOFO. FOFO. Another China stock. China. 3 million shares, only 824,000, and it had formed a pennant above VWAP on low volume, and it continues to form a pennant above VWAP. It hasn't broken down, but there is not a heck of a lot of volume on it, so we'll see what happens with FOFO. Not moving very aggressively with FOFO. CPOP ran earlier. Heavier float. CPOP. CPOP. Man, what is going on with my typing? There we go. Head and shoulders pattern. We were hoping for a continuation on a trend up, but in fact, it just kept on flushing after forming the bearish head and shoulders pattern. RSI keeps dipping downward, so it looks bearish. It needs to break this general downtrend at this point and show some love to me. Otherwise, it is a heavily floated stock at about 61 million shares and not a heck of a lot of volume at 58 million shares. So, SPRC. Let's go check that one out. SPRC. Come on, man. What's going on here? SPRC. Oh, my typing is horrendous. SPRC. All right, it's trying to break that downward trend after a head and shoulders pattern. It is curving towards VWAP. VWAP will be a significant resistance area right around this area over here at about $6.62. VWAP came down because I think it was about 664, 665 last time we looked at it. It has broken this downtrend. That's good. It could be potentially forming a head and shoulder. I'm sorry, a cup and handle bull pattern, possibly as it moves closer to VWAP. I wouldn't be surprised if we have some consolidation. The question is, will it get enough volume love to push through that resistance area? So we'll keep an eye on it. There's nothing like really percolating me, doubles, you know? No. All right, ladies and gentlemen, if you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. You want to get access to all these notifications for the YouTube channel. The YouTube channel is fire. We have unbelievable due diligence videos from DBL Moms. Yesterday, she did a video on PEPG in the evening, and this morning it ran 186%. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. So great videos on YouTube at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. And don't forget to follow us on Twitter, aka x.com at Coach Nick Money. We have financial news 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And on top of that, Monday through Friday, we have pre-market, regular hours, and after-hours content, charts, and so much more about micro-cap and small-cap momentum-moving stocks. Nobody does it like that. Come on now. Go ahead and subscribe to YouTube and follow us on X at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money.
Come on, doubles. At Coach Nick Money. All right. And we're also on Facebook, Instagram, and Threads at Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money. Twitch at Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money. And we're also on TikTok, Tiki-Taki, or as Doubles likes to call it,
The Tac.
at DBL Nicks.
DBL Nicks.
At DBL NICKS. And the screen name is
Coach Nick Money.
Coach Nick Money as we watch SPRC moving up. Let's get rid of this head and shoulders pattern because it looks like it's starting to form a bull reversal, descending wedge. Let's go ahead and do that just before we wrap everything up because it looks like it could potentially, if it breaks this key level of resistance, which is VWAP, maybe doubles, maybe we could just have a descending wedge bull reversal. That would be nice, right? A descending wedge bull reversal, but volume will be its validator. And so far, there's not a lot of volume, but the RSI is starting to cook upward, and we see a curvature with the SPRC. So hopefully we will see it break through this resistance area and have a high test of the day. Yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Also, you're going to probably want to join the Discord. I'm just thinking out loud. We have an amazing community that is off the hook, serious about trading and making money and supporting each other. We have unbelievable tools like real-time scanners, pre-market, regular hours, after hours with volume and float, as well as directional alerts on it. We have the ticker tape channel that basically acts as an early alert system for stocks that are starting to move parabolic or having a large influx of volume. We have the early watch list, comes out at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time every evening. Stocks like PEPG were on that list last night. Come on now. And a lot of other amazing content like news pertaining to the stocks that are moving. All right, so we got all of that for you. Go ahead and click the link in the description for your 4-day trial at $9.99. It's Coach Nick Money. DBL Nicks, a.k.a. The Rainmaker, baby. And, of course, the secret weapon, the one and only, the Serengeti specialist, who is constantly in the high weeds with a bushy tail trying to locate another ABCD parabolic runner for you and then snarl it, grab it by the scruff of its neck, and bring it to the indelible tribe. Wow, that's a visual. DBL Bombs. All right, folks. Love you. You are indelibles. I want you to leave your mark and make that mark unerasable. Or is it non-erasable? Non-erasable, because you're indelibles. Improve yourself, educate yourself, inspire others. Love you. Tomorrow morning, 8:30 a.m. Microcap mornings with the indelible one, DBL Nicks. In the house, in the Serengeti specialist, starting at 8:30 in the morning Eastern Standard Time, going into the open of the stock market. They'll be chasing down parabolic runners like nobody can do it. Nobody can do it.